good morning everyone. I assured you I'm going to release this video this morning, and I'm trying to do that. Sorry for my absence. 2 days I got to see my dad. I'm gonna see my dad. My dad wanted to see me, and actually I need to go and see him as well. So this is what I was telling you some weeks ago. Not even some weeks ago. I always say this in my video introduction. It's not about whether you are right or you're wrong. It's about how much money you risk while you are right and how much money you risk while you are wrong. And that's the basic concept and the terminology you need to understand with respect to any market condition. Just make sure if you are risking 10%, are you right or wrong on that 5%? If you are risking 10%, are you right or wrong on that 10%? If you are risking 2%, are you right or wrong on 2%? So sorry I was up 2 days, but at least I'm back now. I'm back now. So we'll move on. I have a gift for you in this video. Let me give one lucky winner VIP ticket. One VIP ticket in this video. I'm going to mention the ticket at the end of this video. So this is at Global Access Forex. Let's check today's date. Today's is Sunday, 19 December 2021. Within this week, I have a very strong offer for all those that, and a very nice offer to give now. So stay tuned. So let's start our weekly analysis. You see, so even these ones that are in loss, even these ones that are in negative now are in profit. Even these ones that are in negative are in profit. So I say, let me give this signal in my VIP group. Let me give this signal. Please let me give this signal in my VIP group. Then I'll be back a minute. So I'm back again. I just posted this signal in my VIP group. So as I always say, you should not worry about how much money you are losing. Just concentrate about how much money you are losing while you are winning, and how much money you are losing while you are not winning. Simple. You see, I'm losing a trade here. I'm losing just $120. But in my other trades, I'm not losing much. So one thing you need to understand, you have to be very, very serious and understand structures very well before you can be able to get what you want in this business. So for the weekly signals, let's start with crash 1000 or crash 500, because that's the market I'm currently having some trades running since last week. We have capped out this level. So I'm waiting for this market to retrace up to this level. If the market, that's why I put my stop loss here. If the market hit my stop loss, fine. I'll wait for market to come back here and sell again. But based on what I'm seeing here, market may not come and hit my stop loss, because based on this confirmation I get on this 1 hour chart, so I'm waiting for this market to continue its trend down. Because if you look at the 4 hours chart, you notice market has already tested a level here. See, let me mark out my zones for the last 4 weekly zones. So you see, this is our week. This is the highs and this is the lows. So you see, these are things you need. So let's go down to the daily time frame. You see, this are here and here. Go down again, 4 hours. You see, go down. So that's, look at it here. See where I put my stop loss. So based on, I put my stop loss above last week high. So if market hit my stop loss, but I don't think market may go beyond this level. So market will only be doing it nonsense around here, finish what it's doing, then it will just drag, come back here. That's just my target. So my target for this market is this and that, then downwards. Look at my trend. That's my exact trend for this market. So that's that. So for crash, as I said earlier, in this video we have a giveaway. We have one VIP ticket giveaway in this video, and I'm going to mention the condition for the giveaway at the end of the video. So let's go on. So for crash 1000, for crash 500, I sell. Market may go back up to here, but the reason why I sell at this point is because I have so many positions often. But some people, some people that don't have any position running can just hold for the market to reach this level, then got a confirmation to sell. So let's go down to crash boom 1000. I like boom 1000 so much. That's why I jump. You see, boom 1000. I think I will be able to give signal for boom 1000 now in my VIP group. I'll give a signal. So for boom 1000, basically let's mark our weekly highs and lows. For boom 1000, this market need to buy. This market need to buy. This market need to buy. See the weekly candle. See how the weekly candle closes. This market need to buy. In fact, right now I'm going to place my buy order. I'm going to place my buy order. Buy. I'll buy. So you see, I have 3 positions. I'll buy. So you see, first TFE 100 pips, second TFE 200 pips, and the third TFE 300 pips. First TFE 12 5 5 5 modify 12 6 5 5 modify. Last one 12 6 5 5. This is a long trade. This is a weekly long trade. So I'm targeting 300 pips on this market. So let's start our session here. So you see, this is the highs and lows for this last week candle. So look at it. Let me go down to the 4 hours time frame. So you see, but if this market come and close below this weekly low, I'll only be giving 50 pips as my stop loss. So I think my stop loss will be, let me even put my stop loss here. Since I'm targeting 300 pips, let me put 150 pips as my stop loss, so that it will be like I'm targeting your stop loss should be 150, so that the risk to reward should be what? Should be 1 to 2. We risk 150 pips and we are targeting 300 pips. So that's for what? Boom 500. This is our weekly analysis for what? Sunday, November 19, 2021. So let's move on. So you can see we have this signal. So let's go on. So for crash 1000 or for boom 1000, I don't want us to have waste any time. We are only buying. We are buying and holding for a long trend. So this is at non-global access. I think possibly within the week I may decide to remove 1 TP. I may decide to remove 1 TP. Let me check. You see, right now I just enter signal. Right now market is in profit. So that's why I told you non-global access is a serious deal. Let me go and give the signals to my VIP group. Let me go and give the signal to my VIP group. They need to take this signal. They need to take these signals. So now we are holding. Within the week, I may give you some points so that you can hold and continue holding. So for crash 1, let's go to crash 1000. Crash 1000. Crash 1000 is a massive sell. I remember I was holding this market. I was holding a trade since this point, since this breakout up to this level. So for now, for crash 1000, I'm not going to do anything for it because, as I told you earlier, I don't like chasing market towards its all-time low. This is the all-time low. This is the lowest point crash 1000 has ever gone since it was created. Look at it. Since Drive created this thing, this was the lowest one that this market going to. So you see, just look at the chart. Previously, this was the lowest low. Market go and break it. So now we need this market to push down off. Even if I will sell this market, it will take some time because I need this market to full off here before I started selling. Though I may be using my tick bot to catch some scarf signals along the way. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So for Crash 1000, please ignore it for now. I'm not trading Crash 1000 this week. Let me go on then. For Boom 500, let's check Boom 500. Boom 500. Boom 500. Boom 500. Boom 500. See this one, Boom 300. I don't even know them. So, Boom 300. Boom 300K. This is Boom 300. But this is a new, okay. It's a new indices. It's a new indices. So it's fine. This is Boom 500. I was having a running trade already. I think I was buying this market. I was actually buying this market and I'm still holding my buy position because I'm targeting these highs. Because market has already broken above this level. So now let me show you what I mean. Let me even go back to my weekly. This is our weekly candle. See? So basically market has broken below our weekly low. But the reason why I'm still holding this market, I'm waiting for market to close below this week before I exit my trade. I will take this one as stop loss. I don't put stop loss generally, but because I manually monitor my market and put my stop loss. So this is why I put my stop loss. So what I'm expecting now from the market is for market to push the here, come back to this level, and it will continue going up. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. And before I go, as I told you, I have one course. I'm introducing the course to all of you. I'm calling that course 1 year deal. 1 year deal. So I let me show you. Let me show you what I mean. Anyway, let me just give you a basic introduction of how the course is. 1 year deal is a course that I did based on 2 back testing I do for a very good one. I told you for the last 2 years I have been giving signals with this my magic bomb strategy and my magic board, and we have been consistently cashing out profit for these 2 weeks, for these 2 years. So I'm having one course titled 1 year deal. So 1 year deal is a course that if you buy that course after a year, definitely based on the instruction you will obey in the course, definitely after a year you will start to make $2,000 in every blessed 6 months. So after every 180 days you will have $2,000. So if you divide that $2,000 by 160 days, let me show you what you'll be earning. Let's assume let's calculate it. $2,000 divided by 6, making $300. So let's believe it on average. Let's leave it on average. On average, $300 every blessed month profit. So this is a system a back test, which my own is giving me more than this every month, because I'm going to show you the proofs in the whole ad on the session. So this is called 1 year deal. If you have this 1 year deal, you don't have problem. If you are a beginner, you are welcome. You are an advanced trader, you are welcome. If you are even a professional trader, you are always welcome, because whoever you are, wherever you come from, no matter what you are doing, as far as you are dealing with forex trading, cryptocurrency, we have videos and guide to help you take your trading career to the next level. This is agaforex.com. Don't hesitate to contact me always on my Telegram or on my website directly. You can chat our support, which can be able to respond to you faster. So nice to have you now. See you in our next video. So you'll be having 300 week monthly, gallantly with our 1 year deal. And this deal is consists of 12 videos, 12 great videos that will change your life.